a jerk. I know. You're a jerk.
One more time.
You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. Hey.
Where are you? There you are.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, dang.
Yeah.
I almost shot you in the head.
Killed you again. Man, this stuff is making me hungry.
What?
What? I'm hungry for some corn dogs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's make some, baby.
I'm gonna check if we can get some.
Okay. I'll stay on the couch.
It's not gonna like. Okay, Jen. I have good news and bad news. Good news is we have tons of corn dogs. The bad news?
What?
We have no microwave.
No!
I can fix this.
What?
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Check this out. Go sit down. Sit down. Look at that. No more microwave.
That's a mystery. That's a mystery. A burglar took it.
A burglar? With burglars?
Yes.
I thought we're in a good neighborhood.
A burglar take it.
It's not a good thing. No more corn dogs? Peach rolls? How are we going to make those?
Yes.
I love to do.
You almost touched my head. Ah!
You know, looking at it, shorten your hair. No, I'm joking. Your hair already gone. I can't think of any jokes.
Knock knock, who's there? Papa. Who's Papa?
Paul, you should do that. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Invisible microwave.
Invisible microwave?
Invisible microwave that someone took. A burglar. I don't know. I can't think.
Okay,
I got nothing.
I'll do knock knock. Knock knock.
Who's in?
Microwave burglar.
Microwave burglar who?
He took our microwave burglar.
Yeah, that was one. Yeah. Well, I'm sick of this. Someone call 911. Someone took her microwave today. Whoa. Brother, we'll just poof it there.
No! Still not there. Not still not there.
I'll get it this time. Microwave Apiro. Yeah, we got it. We can make corn dogs.
No one called 911 because
A microwave back today. Whoa.
yeah.
Sweet, the spell worked.
Oh yeah, oh
See if it works. Hey, AJ, get the corn dogs. I pushed a button. What'd it do? Oh, that's so cool.
Here's the damn corn dogs.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. It cleared. 7-6. That's the time. 7:16. Woohoo! Give me corn dogs. Yeah. Let's see. How long should we cook it?
I don't know, 1 minute.
1,
0, 0.
4, 0.
No, 1, 0, 0.
It works! It works! Ow! Got the corn dogs.
Dunk.
Ah! It burned! Why'd you do that?
Because I want to. Yeah. Ah, it burned! Ah! I did my own soul.
Hey! How you open these things? Open! I almost flew! Oh, I got mine. fork? How do you eat corn dogs with a fork? And where's the dog? I mean the corn. Oh, it's in your mouth? It's so sick. It's sick. You're chewing and it's like showing. So eat your wiener now. Want to play another game? I'll beat you. Oh. Don't you come on. Oh, the feet! The feet! So we got a new microwave and we're satisfied. Bye.
Bringing you another disturbing creation from the mind of one sick and who can't tell the difference and gets stupefied. I've been waiting my whole life for just one rock, and all I needed was just one rock. And can you say that you don't give up rock? I'm myself stupefied, coming back again. All I wanted was just one